this is Ayushi Khaitan and welcome to IZ Business School, Campus Bangalore. I am from the team Best Talk. तो चलते हैं और जानते हैं regarding this college. तो चलिए मेरे साथ में we'll have a lots of a talk with Ayushi Khaitan. Come. So hi Nina, आप कब से हो इस कॉलेज में? From
1 year हो गया.
1 year, okay. तो you will help me regarding this college के बारे में जानना. I would like to know about this college. हमारे यहाँ कैंपस के बारे में यहाँ पे क्या क्या है? What are the things is there regarding the students, regarding classrooms, and we'll see here. यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ I will show you. Please come with me and first of all यहाँ पे क्या है मैम इस एरिया में?
This is the way to reception.
This is the way to reception. The
Only
first
for students.
only for the students के लिए this is the way. And यहाँ पे there is some program is going on. बहुत सारे students भी हैं. We'll ask some questions to them also. So hi. What is your name?
My name is Lakshya Sodi.
Okay, तो कितने टाइम से आप इस कॉलेज में हो?
मेरे को 2 साल हो गए इस कॉलेज.
2 साल है. It means you are completing.
Yes मैम.
Okay, तो क्या एक्सपीरियंस है?
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा है, मैंने बहुत कुछ यहाँ सीखा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं पंजाब से हूँ,
Oh, that's great. पंजाब से.
तो एक लिए मेरा बिल्कुल नया कल्चर, नए लोग, अलग अलग
Okay.
लोग मिले, तो
Okay.
खूब मस्ती की, खूब कुछ सीखा.
Okay, why are you choosing this college? कि ये मेरे लिए perfect college है to do the MBA.
Sorry.
Any question like आपको लगता है कि नहीं ये reason था कि मेरे को यहीं से करना था?
Sorry मैम.
Okay. Any negative point अभी 2 साल में?
No, it's good.
It's good. और इसका campus कैसा है according to you?
कैंपस अच्छा है मैम. मेरी
Like before you like admission लेने के पहले college आप जो सोचे थे वैसा ही निकला या फिर there is a like change? सोचा कुछ था और निकला कुछ और?
सोचा कुछ था, निकला कुछ और.
Okay. एकदम बिल्कुल सही बोल रहा है हमारा बंदा कि सोचा कुछ और निकला कुछ. Thank you so much.
बट अच्छा था कॉलेज, बहुत अच्छा.
लास्ट में यही है कि भाई कॉलेज इज गुड. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. चलिए आफ्टर दिस विल आस्क हमारे कुछ और बच्चे स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर. लेट्स कम, विल आस्क सम क्वेश्चंस टू देम आल्सो. ओह हाय, व्हाट इज योर नेम?
My name is Agalya.
फ्रॉम वेयर यू आर?
I am from Tamil Nadu.
ओके, नाइस. एंड यू?
I am Karthik. I am from Tamil Nadu.
एंड यू?
Prithvi, Tamil Nadu.
ओके, आप लोगों ने टीम बना के आया कि यहीं पे पढ़ना है, राइट? ओके, तो यू हैव कंप्लीटेड लाइक कंप्लीट हो गया आपका 2 years.
Yes,
तो कांग्रेचुलेशन टू 3 of you.
Thank
तो
you.
हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस?
It was a very good experience because we have not met people. We are very strange. We have not met before. So we came here. We were with many. There are many language peoples here. So
Okay.
we came to know up all the cultures also here.
Okay.
So we had many cultural programs so that we were known to that
The
religion.
friendly environment है कि नहीं?
Yes.
This environment, how is the environment like basically?
It is
Friendly like,
Yes,
okay,
very
no
friendly.
arrogance, no attitude,
No.
सभी लोग अच्छे से बात करते हैं. Okay, तो placement वगैरह हो गया और it will be happening.
no. It is happening, and many of our students are also has.
Any of you
placed.
selected?
Yeah, I selected. I am
Oh,
now.
you selected.
Yeah,
Congratulations, my
Thank you,
treat is
thank you,
due.
thank you.
Okay. वो बात
Now I
करना
am
आपको
working as a business development executive.
Okay, in which
So-
company?
SFJ Business Solution.
Oh, that's a great. Congratulations.
Thank
तो
you, thank
package
you.
थोड़ा बता पाओगे?
Yeah, nice package है. I have
थोड़ा
nice
बता दो,
package.
मैं नहीं मांगूंगी treat. Don't
Oh
worry.
yeah.
तो पैकेज क्या है आपका?
It's around a 3.5 LPA like.
Oh, it's a nice 3.5.
Yes, yes,
It's a
yes,
great,
yes.
but at least you are selected and
Yes.
got it some
Yeah, yeah,
opportunity.
yeah.
It's a very
Because of IZ, I am lucky to have.
lucky to have. Yeah, you are selected और अभी चल रहा है like
No, I'm searching.
you are still searching. And you, ma'am?
I'm going to my native.
तो
so
treat इनसे बनती है. We'll
Yes.
take treat from you. Okay. If one of your friend will ask कि अगर ये college join करना है, तो what will be the best reason you will give to that person?
you can know more things, and you will be able to you will make yourself indulge in all your programs, so that you will get to know all the things, and you'll know how to manage a team, and a leadership quality will be improved. So like that.
Okay. Like if when you, one of your friend will ask any negative point of this college, what you will give?
Not negative points. I am saying it's nothing. You can learn.
Like everything is okay. How's the
yeah.
campus?
Nice campus. It's look like an IBM campus. It's
Okay. And according to you, how is the campus?
Yeah, very nice.
Basically, like बच्चे लोगों का डिमांड रहता है कि campus भाई अच्छा होना चाहिए. The one of
nice,
the
good
important question,
environment.
how is the canteen?
yeah, canteen we have,
Okay.
but it's closed due to our juniors went to
Okay.
hometown, so they closed now.
And last question,
Yeah.
जो सोचा था before joining the college,
Yes.
और अभी जो college है, like any difference और same था?
Yeah.
According to reality जैसा सोचा था और वैसा ही है कि
Before joining college, I am struggling in English. but now
Okay.
I am okay with the English. It's
तो
my
आपकी
English is
language
okay,
क्या है?
right?
Okay. तो
Yeah.
यहाँ के आपने इंग्लिश भी सीख ली अच्छी?
Yeah.
ओके मतलब इंग्लिश भी सिखा रहे हैं लोग. दैट्स अ
yes.
ग्रेट थिंग. ओके चलो थैंक यू सो मच एंड ओके थैंक यू. सो आफ्टर दिस चलते हैं हमारे MP3 थिएटर देखने के लिए. कम जल्दी से आते हैं. मुझे ये बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आ रहा है तो एक बार इसमें थोड़ा सा मस्ती करते हैं. देखो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बच्चे एक साथ बैठ सकते हैं, ला 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 डांस कर सकते हैं, एंजॉय कर सकते हैं जैसे मैं कर रही हूँ. तो ये बहुत ही सुंदर है और स्पेशली यहाँ फ़ोटोज़ बहुत अच्छी आएगी. सो यू कैन सी हियर कितना बड़ा है ये. एंड देखो यहाँ से जाना है और यहाँ से ऊपर आना है और यहाँ पे ऐसे पोजेस भी दे सकते हैं. और इसके साथ साथ देयर इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल स्टेज, वो भी मैं दिखा देती हूँ. कुछ भी प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं द स्टूडेंट्स कम हेयर एंड एन्जॉयड इट. यहाँ पे क्रिसमस का प्रोग्राम वाज गोइंग ऑन और दिस इज द पोडियम. हाय. तो इस तरह से यू कैन सी स्टेज भी काफ़ी बड़ा है, एक साथ 10-15 लोग परफॉर्म कर ही सकते हैं. तो ओवरऑल द व्यू इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. तो चलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट प्लेस पर. कम तो देखते हैं यहाँ पे कौन कौन मुझे मिलते हैं. द स्टूडेंट्स विल चेक इज देयर एनी स्टूडेंट्स और नॉट. ओके आई फाउंड 2 स्टूडेंट्स. चलते हैं उनसे कुछ बातें करते हैं. ओके सो हाय. हाय what is your name ma'am?
My name is Soumya Sangawar.
Okay and your name?
My name is Sheikh Saud Shah.
From where you are?
Andhra.
Oh Andhra. And
I'm
you?
from Chhattisgarh.
Okay different cities. Okay
Right.
nice. Still friends. Okay. यहाँ के काफी friendly environment बन जाता है right?
बहुत अच्छा.
Okay so you have completed your 2 years?
Yes.
Okay and you?
Yeah, complete 2 years.
Okay so experience, what experience you can share with us?
So I'm grateful to my college, IZ Business School, for providing me a good opportunities and a quality education. So yeah, so it helped me a lot, and the constant support, which helped me to give a good CTC placement.
Okay
So
you are selected?
Yeah, I'm
Oh
selected.
congratulations. And
Thank you so much,
which
ma'am,
company?
For Prop Times.
Okay can I ask you your package क्या है?
Yes.
What is your package?
So it's 9 CTC.
Oh my God 9. It's a great यार. Congratulations.
Thank you so
After the
much,
shoot
ma'am.
एक treat बनता है भाई मुझे दे देना
जरूर.
चाहिए. Okay.
Yeah.
It's like बहुत अच्छा खासा package है as a fresher तो
Yes.
definitely. Any of your friend will ask you according for this college. So what you will recommend her?
Definitely they can choose this college.
You will
because
recommend
of,
or not?
Definitely
This is
I
my
would
main
recommend.
question.
Definitely I would recommend.
Okay. The out of 10 what rating would you like to give this to this college?
9.5.
9.5 is मतलब like must say the best rating. Okay, thank you so much Soumya, right? And आपका placement हुआ है कि?
हाँ, placement हुआ है.
Oh my God, congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, कौन सी कंपनी में हुआ
रॉयल
है?
लुक में हुआ है, फर्नीचर कंपनी.
Okay, तो पैकेज
हाँ, 4 सिटी से मिला है.
अरे congratulations. तो आफ्टर द शूट पक्का आप मुझे एक ट्रीट दे रहे हो?
Sure, जरूर
ठीक है
से.
ना. तो आफ्टर दिस विल टेक डेफिनेटली. तो वन ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन,
हाँ.
एनी ऑफ द नेगेटिव पॉइंट या जिस कॉलेज में और अच्छा हो सकता था, व्हाट यू विल से?
See, everything is great in the college. सब कुछ
Everything,
बढ़िया है
okay.
क्योंकि जो स्टडीज़ के भी अगर हम जाएंगे तो स्टडीज़ भी एकदम ठीक ठाक नहीं, एकदम बढ़िया है क्योंकि
Okay.
constant support from our MK sir
Okay.
and our Zaish sir. So it's
Okay.
a good experience.
Okay.
And everything is going in a great thing. Like our faculties, everything have a constant support to us. Like always tapping our shoulders to do. You can do it, and you
Okay,
can.
they motivate you
Motivates
always.
us
They
and,
motivate. It's a very good part of the college.
main-
Those who motivate the students can do best in their life, right?
And I would like to say big thanks to my friends first because they
Friends,
helped
कोई
me.
नाम वाम बताओ जो यहाँ वहाँ.
I have a friend of Azad,
Okay.
Altaf, Soumya.
They are studying here?
They are studying here, and
Okay.
and so far.
Anyone of your junior will ask you, would you like to recommend them or say नहीं मत आओ यहाँ?
See, I will recommend them to join the college, and first I will tell them just build up a good friends in the college circle.
Okay.
Then you have a good times of running in the college and everything.
How is the environment? Like it's friendly or what?
Environment is good.
कोई attitude, arrogance कुछ नहीं है?
नहीं, कुछ
Ragging
ऐसा-
वैगिंग कुछ नहीं है?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता
Okay,
है.
तो सारे लोग बहुत ही friendly है.
हाँ, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो एकदम कल्चर एकदम सही है क्योंकि बिजनेस स्कूल में एकदम बढ़िया है एकदम यहाँ पे.
मम्मी पापा का याद आता है?
याद आता है लेकिन
फ्रेंड्स लोग सब भुला देते हैं ना कि
हाँ,
फ्रेंड्स
वो
से
है.
सब मन लग रहा है. ओके आउट ऑफ 10 क्या रेटिंग देना चाहोगे?
मेरी एकदम 9.5
Oh
9.6 something.
9. Oh my God, thank you so much. I've seen something is मैं touch कर सकती हूँ?
Yeah.
I've seen something is written in the like short में कुछ लिखा हुआ है. What is this? Can you please explain us, please?
Sure, I will explain. See, these are today last day of our college,
Okay.
and we have been like getting a signatures. Everyone is getting emotional. Everything is happening.
Okay,
around
you
the
are
college.
emotional or like
See, I am kind of in a sad, emotional everything because I'm leaving my friends.
mixed feeling, right?
Mixed feeling
Okay.
because we don't know why. Because see, we don't know. We might again get together of the same persons of everyone.
Attachment बन
हाँ.
जाता है. 2 years you are spending with
क्योंकि
your
हम लोग
friends.
यहाँ पे जैसे कि अब सभी लोग यहाँ पे
हाँ.
जैसे 15-20 लोग सबको यही है मेरे दोस्त सब पता नहीं हम फ्यूचर में मिलेंगे या नहीं
Definitely you will meet है.
हाँ श्योर मिलेंगे यही होप है
But the day we leave ना तो एक इमोशंस बाहर आता ही है.
हाँ.
तो you can see here यहाँ पे जो environment है बहुत ही फ्रेंडली बन जाता है और बहुत सारा enjoyment एंड मस्ती और धमाल. दो 2 years कैसे स्पेंड हुआ they don't know but still they enjoyed it और एक प्लेसमेंट और एक जॉब के साथ यहाँ से बाहर जा रहे हैं. That is the great part of this college and the great part of the student. Thank you so much. तो चलते हैं हमारे कैंपस की तरफ और कुछ और बच्चों से बात करते हैं. तो लेट्स कम विथ मी. आई थिंक ये लास्ट डे है इनका. तो देख सकते हो कि यू कैन सी हियर कुछ ये लोग शर्ट पे लिख रहे हैं. तो विल टेक द शूट. ओके ओके ओके. हाय हाय व्हाट इज योर नेम?
My name is Altaf.
व्हाट इज योर नेम?
Altaf.
Altaf.
Yeah.
Okay, you are from where?
Andhra.
Where are you from?
Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, तो ये सब यहाँ लिखा हुआ है आपके शर्ट्स पे एंड व्हाई? कैन यू
तो-
प्लीज एक्सप्लेन अस? ये लव किसने लिख दिया?
ये तो मेरा
गर्लफ्रेंड बना
ना ना
साल में?
ना ये तो मेरा फ्रेंड ने लिखा.
Okay.
ये थोड़ा मेमोरी के लिए 2
You
years
are
का
from which
मेमोरी.
city you said?
आंध्र प्रदेश.
आंध्र प्रदेश. ओके. तो यू कैन सी हियर यहाँ पे बहुत सारा कुछ शर्ट में इन्होंने लिखा है टॉप सक्सेस एंड ऑल दैट क्योंकि आपका 2 years इज कम्प्लीटेड. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन फॉर दैट. प्लेसमेंट वगैरह हो गया या बाकी है? चल रहा है ऑन द प्रोसेस.
Yeah.
ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर दैट. और कैन यू से 2 good things for this college?
Basically, this college is given me so many friends, and I have also improved my communication skills,
Okay.
as well as I have come up with my fear, and I would be able to face any challenges in future.
Like I am your challenge right now. Asking you questions.
Yeah, same.
Or you are answering it
Yeah,
very
yeah,
nicely.
same.
That's a good thing. And what second one?
Second one is I have built up a network with my friends and
Okay.
teachers.
Okay.
They are very supportive,
Okay.
and we can talk them with any time when we want.
In the
That-
future also.
In the future also.
Good connection here.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. ये you can see here यहाँ shirts में बहुत कुछ लिखा है इन्होंने. कितना प्यार और कितना सब कुछ ये लोग लेके जा रहे थे. Emotions and memories with your congratulations and all the best.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Now we'll move forward. कुछ और बच्चों की तरफ चलते हैं. तो let's come with me. Okay. So hi, can I take your 2 minutes, please?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
What is your name?
My name is Yashwanti,
Yeshwanti.
Yes,
You are
ma'am.
from which city?
Andhra Pradesh, Nellore.
Okay, and you?
This is Mansa. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, Tadipatri.
Okay, both of you are friends before this college?
No, ma'am.
यहाँ के बने हो?
Yeah, you can see here.
Okay, okay. So tell me the genuine reply. If any of your friend would ask you regarding this college, would you like to recommend them कि yes, you should come or what will be your?
Yes, ma'am. Obviously, I'll refer because I'm from Andhra, where our language is Telugu. Mostly, even though we are English medium, we are not exposure to that much of English.
Okay.
After coming here, we improved our communication skills.
That's a great thing. The most of the
And-
students are saying they improve their communication skills. That is the best part of this college. They are helping students to improve their communication level. That's
Yes,
the best
ma'am.
part. This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
very important.
And also one more thing is that after coming here, we had lots of presentations
Okay.
and programs there that help us to overcome our fear.
Like team building.
Yes,
and,
ma'am.
Okay.
That helps to us improve ourselves, and now we are like bravely attending interviews.
Okay. So you are selected in any company?
Yes, ma'am, in Bangalore Metro.
Okay. Congratulations for that. I
Thank
will
you so
take
much,
it
ma'am.
Definitely after this. So can I ask you package?
Yes, ma'am. Like to hand, I used to get 21 plus travel expenses.
21.
Yes, along with the travel expenses also they used to provide.
monthly or yearly?
Monthly, ma'am.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you,
बहुत ही अच्छा है and definitely will get the hike every year.
Thank you, ma'am.
And are you selected or?
Yeah, I was selected as a HR in a tourist company, and
Okay.
I got a package of 4.5 LPA as
Oh, that's
it's a
great.
pre-placement offer where I worked as 6 months intern and gonna become full-time in the next month.
Okay.
After my results, they're gonna do full-time in that
That's
company.
a great thing. Just after completing the package, यहाँ से खाली हाथ बच्चे नहीं जा रहे हैं. They are taking हमारा जो एक job है
Yeah.
with the good revenue. They are going out. That's a great
Yeah.
part of the college.
Yeah, before also
Okay.
I did 2 internship which Misha ma'am helped me regarding that, and I chose as HR as my domain. Before I did as a supply chain associate and as a market researcher in Whitefield, and now I choose as a HR, which is good for me.
Out of 10, क्या mark देना चाहते हो?
Out of 10, I can give 7.5.
7.5. Okay. And you out of the 10?
Yes,
rating?
ma'am. 8, ma'am.
8. That's a great. Congratulations, both of you.
Thank you so
And
much.
we'll see you again. Okay.
Thank you.
चलते हैं आगे की तरफ. कैंपस में हमारा इंटायर कैंपस दिखाती हूँ. साथ साथ में विल हैव अ डिस्कशन विद आवर स्टूडेंट्स के साथ बातचीत हमारी चलती रही. ओह, आई फाउंड 2 स्टूडेंट्स आर सिटिंग इन द स्टेयर्स. लेट्स टॉक विद देम. ओके, कैन आई टेक योर 2 minutes प्लीज? ओके, कैन आई सिट हियर?
Yeah, please.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Manohar.
Manohar. From which city you are?
Andhra, Guntur.
Andhra. Okay, Andhra के काफी स्टूडेंट्स हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, from which city you are?
I'm from Andhra, Guntur, Tenali.
Andhra. Your name?
Tarak Ram.
Takram. Okay, so it's 2 years completed.
Yeah,
Okay,
done.
you got the placement.
Yeah,
Okay, first of all, congratulations. Can I ask you the package?
it's 4.45.
My God, congratulations. और आपका पैकेज पूछ सकते
Yeah,
हैं?
4 lakhs.
4 lakhs. Congratulations, both of you. मतलब like just after 2 years. And can I ask you your company name? किस company में selection हुआ आपका?
So it's called Marty Martin.
Okay, and your company name?
Mine is skill intern.
Okay.
Yeah.
So after the 2 years, you are having the pura experience of this college. My important question is what? कि any negative point would you like to discuss with us कि इस college में ये और होना चाहिए या ये होता तो और अच्छा होता?
I wouldn't say negative, but it's kind of like people can take it either ways.
Okay.
इधर बहुत freedom है, like they help you explore.
मौज है, मस्ती है.
हाँ, तो लोग कैसे
गर्लफ्रेंड बनाए हो?
नहीं, इधर नहीं.
नहीं बनाया हो तो ऑफिस में बना लेना. चलो अच्छा. ओके, नेक्स्ट.
हाँ, तो इसीलिए दैट डिपेंड्स लोग कैसे लेते हैं उसके ऊपर उनका करियर शेप अप होता है. तो दैट आई वुड से
ओके.
समथिंग.
और एनी ऑफ योर फ्रेंड विल आस्क यू कि ज्वाइन करना है मुझे तो करना चाहिए कि नहीं? व्हाट यू विल रिकमेंड देम?
Of course, I'll tell them to join because these guys have helped us to explore so many things, given us so many
Okay.
add-ons, value.
तो कैंपस कैसा लगा आपको ओवरऑल?
It's actually very good campus, spacious है,
Okay.
greenery है,
Okay.
and we play sports also, and there is a garden setup.
Garden setup भी है.
On the other
Okay.
side where we just
दिखाएंगे
sit
garden
and
setup
chill.
भी कैसा है इनका. ओके, यस.
Yeah.
तो दिस इज द बेसिक थिंग. द इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एवरी स्टूडेंट सबके माइंड में रहता है, कैंटीन कैसा है? हाउ इज द फूड?
Food is good and
वेज एंड नॉन वेज बोथ?
नहीं, only veg.
नॉन वेज इज गुड. ओके,
Yeah.
एंड कैंटीन कैसा है? बड़ा या छोटा कैसा है?
It's enough. It's decent. Yeah.
आप लोगों के लिए इनफ है.
Yeah,
ओके.
yeah.
एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू यू कैंटीन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लाइक
Yeah, yeah. For
क्योंकि आधा
drinking
टाइम
food.
आप लोग वहीं बिताते हो, राइट?
Yeah.
तो कैसा है कैंटीन?
Yeah, canteen is very good. Like we can go and enjoy after the classes completed, and we can do the party. Like
You can
after,
sit,
yeah,
you
we can sit
with
on
your
the party.
friends
Yeah,
and your girlfriend. And girlfriend वगैरह बनाया है कि नहीं बनाया है?
no, I'm having some girlfriends, but not those kind
एक
of
मिनट, कितनी
lovers.
गर्लफ्रेंड्स हैं? हाउ मेनी गर्लफ्रेंड्स?
I don't.
नहीं बता दो, मैं नहीं भेजूंगी इसको. डोंट वरी.
Yeah, I'm having a lot of like I'm not having lovers, but I'm having good girlfriends. Like not that kind of girlfriends. Like they will be very supportive. Like if I having an issue, they will solve, and projects they will support me a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो देखो गर्लफ्रेंड में आने का ये फायदा है, सपोर्ट बहुत करती है, राइट?
Yeah,
वो
right.
बहुत सिंसियर होती है, राइट? ओके, तो एक नेगेटिव मार्क फॉर दिस कॉलेज कुछ भी माइंड में है या इम्प्रूवमेंट की जरूरत है? विच पार्ट यू विल सजेस्ट फॉर द
Like,
कॉलेज? और आने वाले जो भी स्टूडेंट्स ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं कि
Yeah.
they should know about it, na?
Yeah, like the thing is like we want to enjoy more time, but we only having less time only, no? So I just want to stay for a long time. That is little bit like I want to stay for some time. That
Okay, like college hours क्या है? What is the college hours?
Yeah, it will start at 9:30 and it will end at sometimes 3:30. After
Okay.
you got extension, it will end at 4:30 something.
Saturday there is a classes or
No,
not?
Saturday, Sunday are holidays only.
Saturday, Sunday is the
Yeah,
holiday.
holiday, yeah.
All the student asks, कहीं जाना है, घूमना है, तो
They can enjoy, yeah. We
बट
can,
द प्रॉब्लम इज लोग दे स्टे इन डिफरेंट प्लेसेस नो
Okay.
तो प्रॉब्लम ये होता है कि प्लान बनाना मुश्किल होता है टू फाइंड अ
आप मिल
पॉइंट
पाते
या
हैं friends लोगों से,
बिकॉज
okay.
हाँ लोकेशन
Basically,
या
Saturday, Sunday is the off, and there is a 9:30 to
4:30.
4:30 is the
Yeah.
timing. Okay. So thank you so much, both of you, and
Thank you.
congratulations.
एंड यू गाइस शुड चेक आउट द गार्डन एरिया
Definitely. Thank you. And my treat is due.
Yeah.
We'll take after the shoot.
Yeah.
आप लोगों का जॉब लग गया, ट्रीट देना बनता है, राइट? बच्चे लोगों से बात करके तो मुझे बहुत ही मज़ा आया, एंड इसके बाद विल मूव फॉरवर्ड हमारे फैकल्टीज एंड डायरेक्टर्स लोग की तरफ चलते हैं. एंड यहाँ का शूट यू कैन सी, इतने सारे फोटोज लगे हुए, इट्स लुकिंग सो ब्यूटिफुल. तो चलते हैं आगे की तरफ. विल मीट सम डायरेक्टर्स एंड फैकल्टी ऑफ दिस कॉलेज. सो आगे की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. एंड hello ma'am, may I come in? Yeah. Hello ma'am, this is Aishi Khaitan from the Weststock team.
Hi.
And your name ma'am?
I'm Rani Srinivas. I'm the Director, Career Development Cell.
Okay, please hold this ma'am. Should I hold it or should I will? Ma'am, can I sit here?
Please sit.
Okay. So basically you're from which department of this college?
We have a department called Career Development.
Okay.
So it is a department which is being curated to help the students, equip, train them, and face the corporate world. So basically, our objective is building the gap between your campus to corporate.
Okay, you're
Yeah.
preparing for their
the
future.
corporate. Yes,
Okay.
yes, that is what it is.
तो like training कितने time का रहता है मैम? Like
ट्रेनिंग तो पूरा साल होता है, मतलब लाइक वो सेमेस्टर का हिसाब से होता है.
Okay.
सो द फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर हम लोग वी डू समथिंग कॉल्ड एज अ प्री असेसमेंट
Okay.
टू अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज स्टूडेंट्स कम फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री, राइट?
Okay.
IC has in-housed people from all states, students from all states.
all over the India, pan
All
India,
over
we can
India,
say.
yes,
Okay.
pan India. So,
That's great.
and you know, like the learning level of students vary from one to another, or the
Okay.
universities from where they come and things like
Okay.
that. Hence is where in Career Development Cell we do a pre-assessment to understand the level of students in terms of their language, communication, English
As
proficiency.
I had discussion with so many students, they told that college focus on their communication level.
Yes.
Like how they can grow, because the first important thing of this interview की communication level अच्छा होना चाहिए.
Correct.
Right. So this is the good part I heard. और आप लोग उस पे कितना ध्यान देते हो? और like
आजकल ना like see we call a lot of experts, industry people to address our
Okay.
students to interact. वो तो हम different platforms से like we host it.
Okay.
Like we have Corporate Chronicles, we have iTalk series, we
Okay.
have HR Conclave, we have something called as Beyond Targets.
Okay.
And when industry people come, they get upgraded. Students need to understand what is happening outside,
Okay.
because tomorrow when they have gone it, they should not be like feeling like fish out of water.
Yeah,
There should
exactly. This is
be somebody
a
who
very
is going
important
with the
thing.
flow.
Okay.
And for today, if you look at it, I come with 2 decades of corporate experience.
Okay.
Yes, I was with.
you are here from like
Yeah,
this also.
like those I'll say.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm here. And the thing is, so like I know, and we understand like what it is. So we curate right from the curriculum, what has to be delivered, what is good for the student, what is the upgraded skill that they need. And today everything is communication. Actually, communication is like mother of all skills. You may
Okay.
have so many skills, but to convey that you need communication,
Yes.
right?
Like what is the basic main important thing of this college which makes students different from this college to other colleges?
One is I can proudly say the kind of exposure what they get. We
Okay.
also give them lot of beyond classroom,
Okay.
outside classroom exposure in terms of industrial visit, projects, going outside, interacting. We also have some challenges where they meet CEOs.
Okay.
So like they interact with them, they shadow the leaders. So
Okay.
they study like how a leader works, what are their habits, what are their professional traits, what they have. And that
Okay.
is how students, like slowly they start inculcating that. Once they study a leader or once they shadow a leader, they come back and they do a presentation on their own and
Okay.
they present it like what was the observation of the student. So I'm sure like CDC also, your career development
Yeah, I
cell.
heard
Yeah.
Good Cities was
Correct.
there with the students.
Yes,
Like,
we
one
also-
of them got 9 lakh.
Yes, yes, yes.
It's a good.
And they also got with good brands like last week one of our student got with Flipkart, some of them
Okay.
with leading coffee
like
chain.
what are the companies like come here for the placement and the interviews?
You have Sagility, you have Flipkart, you have Cafe Coffee Day, you
Okay.
have HubGrad,
Okay.
Infosys, Accenture. So there are a lot of companies, even Barclays was
Good
there.
companies.
Yes, all round like it is. You have a retail segment, you have a banking segment, you have a logistics segment. So you name it and you are there. So
Like,
that is the
student
kind.
will get any international exposure in this college?
Yes, they
Okay.
do. There is a specific team for it,
Okay.
where then they will also be taken outbound tour, and they'll also get an opportunity to interact with
Okay.
entrepreneurs or business leaders externally. That is outbound.
Maximum package. Do you have any idea? Like student got-
Almost it is 21 LPA.
any fresher?
Yes.
One
yes,
fresher.
Yes.
Okay,
yes,
like
yes.
this year or like.
Yeah, this year only. This
Okay,
year.
that's a great
Yeah.
part. 21 lakhs in the fresher.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
definitely appreciable.
Correct. And we also run a lot of campaigns with placement का हिसाब से ना, like हम लोग we do a lot of campaigns. So every student is not like given very few, like just 3-4 companies. They get a range of companies, like so
Okay.
they have the option to choose from them and make use of the best as per the specialization.
like students का percentage, attendance percentage क्या है? Like it's required कितना होना ही चाहिए attendance?
मेरे ख्याल से यूनिवर्सिटी का हिसाब से कुछ 75% ऐसा कुछ है.
Okay.
But then they are very what do you say, prompt on attending
Very
classes.
sincere.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. And more than prompt, I really like the way they participate. And in IZ, this is one USP I can say.
Yeah, definitely. Please tell me the USP.
Yeah.
Every student used to ask us ki, what is the USP of this IZ Business School?
Okay.
So we'll.
Okay.
Ah.
USP one is like no student is ordinary. Everybody is special to us.
Okay, like if any average student,
Yes.
those who want to like get admission in this college, that student can get or not. Like सारे brilliant बच्चे यहाँ आना है ऐसा कुछ.
Definitely, IC opens door for all kinds of students.
that's
All
amazing.
kinds of
Okay.
students we are open.
Okay.
And taking a cream and just developing them is not a big deal.
Yes.
To
Yeah,
just say
right,
it.
right.
But for us, what we are specialized is taking an ordinary student and making
challenging
him
part, like out of the
extraordinary.
comfort zone,
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
करने से
and making them really special, making them that extraordinary, making them more confident, making them more competitive to go to the external world and just explore their opportunities.
Okay, in this college, like any student is having any query, like teachers are friendly or they have to take some approvals and they have to talk over the mail only, yeah, direct, they can talk with the faculty or they can discuss.
Okay, that is a real good question, I would say.
Uh-huh.
IZ is a family. I think
Okay,
with that you
it's a
can
family,
connect.
yes.
So no, there's nothing like an hierarchy right from our senior top management, be it Mr. Zahish, Dr. Zahish sir, who is the chairman, founder of this IZ Business School, or our secretary, Mr. Murli Krishnan sir.
Okay.
So whoever it is, we're all open. The doors are open. Anytime
Okay.
the student has got any kind of concern, challenge, or needs some support, even the faculties we're all more a family. So we
Okay,
give
it's
this
like
option.
it's a very nice thing of this college or any of the student, those who wanted to know about this college admissions and fee structure, you can message us, you can comment us anytime. Please feel free to ask any question and you please comment us. And thank you so much, ma'am, for your
Most
time.
welcome. Most
And-
welcome, and I extend a warm welcome any student, any nook and corner of India or even outside.
Okay.
If you feel you want to explore and you want to be something extraordinary or special,
Okay.
welcome to IZ.
Yeah, campus is also very good. So please do message us, and there's an application form is also there. Please fill up that. And any query you will get, please come to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So friends, after meeting with our director, चलते हैं कुछ और फैकल्टी मेंबर्स से मिलने, हमारे टीचर्स से मिलने के लिए एंड कैंपस का और व्यू दिखाने के लिए. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. तो चलते हैं. फर्स्ट थोड़ा रिसेप्शन में आते हैं, लेट्स सी वहाँ पे कौन है. देन विल मीट आवर अदर फैकल्टीज. लेट्स कम विथ मी. So Okay, so there is a one ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Hi. And sir. Hi. What is your name, sir?
Myself Hari Vasudevan, campus
Okay.
director.
You are a
Yeah.
campus director.
Yes.
Okay. Can you please put in your
Yeah.
address? Yeah. Yes. Can I help you?
No
Okay.
problem, Aishi.
Okay. So nice to meet you. And a few questions.
Pleasure is with us.
Few questions I would like to ask with you, sir. Like any student, those who want to take admission here. So सबसे best thing what you want to like कि ये हमारा college का best है.
Very simple. Our college is the one of the best college in Bangalore, which
Okay.
is ranked amongst the 100 best B school in India,
Okay.
and it has collaborated with IBM
IBM.
for our students' empowerment.
Like.
Lot of things to see.
Okay, like कौन-कौन से like companies आती है यहाँ पे? Like बच्चे लोगों का पहले यही रहता है डिमांड की कौन-कौन से companies are like placement and
Amazon,
declare
Flipkart,
Amazon, Flipkart. Okay.
HCL,
Okay.
Capgemini.
Okay.
Okay, so a few
Sir,
companies to
like
see.
highest package अभी तक का
This year, 16 lakh per annum.
16 lakh.
per annum.
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
This
That's
year.
nice. Or
And more than 5 students they have crossed in the bracket of 5 lakh per 15 lakh per annum.
okay, that's a great thing.
Yes.
So like regarding this campus and regarding like आप लोगों का like what is the best USP of this college?
This is our eco-friendly campus.
Okay.
No campus in Bangalore has this much of green coverage.
Yeah, I saw it. Very beautiful. Very
And it's a
beautiful.
Oriental style building.
Okay.
This campus itself a learning ground for the students apart from our teaching.
Okay. Last question.
Yeah.
Like what is the best thing you have done in this college? In next 5 years में like कुछ changes करने का जरूरत नहीं है.
In 5 years we will be going for autonomous status.
Oh, that's a good.
Down the line, and we'll be going for a NAC in the coming next year.
Okay.
Down the line 5 years we'll be going for autonomous status.
Okay.
In very near future, getting after autonomous status, we'll be going for university status.
The next year.
Yeah, not in the next year, in the
Okay.
coming days.
In the coming days only. Oh,
In
that's
the coming years, yeah.
That's a great
Yes,
thing.
yes.
So can you please help me to meet some faculties
Yes,
and
yeah.
like please can you please help me to show some हमारा campus दिखाने में आप मुझे help
Yes.
करोगे तो I will be very happy. And what is this here? Yeah, I can see here this is a library. Okay.
Yes,
So what a
library.
beautiful library it is. Like students comes there
Yeah,
and
meet our
like
Dr. Kavita,
okay.
Professor.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. Hi ma'am. Hi ma'am.
She will be giving you all the inputs.
Okay.
Regarding
Okay.
the
Thank you
academic
so much.
excellence.
Thank you so much, sir. And please, can I put it? Yes. Okay. Hi, Kavita ma'am. This
Yeah,
is
ma'am.
Aishi
Yeah,
Khaitan
nice
from
to
the
meeting
West
you,
Top.
ma'am.
And मेरे साथ बहुत सारी queries है. Are you comfortable in Hindi, English both?
English.
Are you comfortable only in
Only in
English?
English,
No
yes.
problem. Okay. Can you please show me the entire campus and please come with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, tell me
Yes, ma'am.
about this college, the entire campus में क्या क्या है हमारे पास देखने के लिए? Like students want to know about the campus, just academics के अलावा यहाँ पे campus के बारे में students को जानना होता है कि like how is the campus
Yeah.
and how is the classrooms and
Yes.
how is the faculties
Okay.
and like faculties का best part.
Is actually one thing I just wanted to tell about our campus is
Yes.
eco-friendly. It's like green campus.
Yeah, I've seen
Wherever
so
you
many
see
greenies there,
light,
yeah.
it is like a kind of energy, natural energy we will be getting. That
Okay, vitamin D.
itself, yeah.
You
So
will
that
get that.
itself is a blessing for us to be here.
Yes.
And apart from that, classrooms. It's like all the classrooms are digitally equipped
Digitally
with the Wi-Fi,
with the screen and all.
and Wi-Fi connections are there.
Okay.
And also faculty.
Okay.
Yes, you can ask any students.
Okay.
We are all very, very friendly and very easygoing kind of professors.
Like any
Because
student, if any have any query, they can ask directly, or first they have to like
we are very approachable.
approachable. Yeah.
Yes, in all the part, it's not only academics.
Okay.
So throughout their, journey in IC,
Okay.
we are helping them.
Okay.
Each and everything.
Okay, what is this, ma'am? Can you tell me ये क्या है?
Yeah. This is
Okay.
actually something, electric batteries and servers are there.
Okay,
This room.
electric support is
Yeah,
there, right?
electric support.
And this is what, ma'am?
And this is the cabin, like when we are conducting some projects and Viva.
Okay.
It's actually closed.
Okay.
So we will be using that.
And this is also.
This is also like counseling rooms. When we
Okay.
the students, they have some, kind of stress, or they want some motivation, or they want some advice.
Okay.
So like even in academics and non-academics also. So one-on-one we will meet over there.
Okay, one-on-one. If any students have any query, they can discuss personally also.
Personally also.
कि जो क्लास में सबके
Yeah.
सामने नहीं बोलना, they can discuss personally. That's a good part of the college.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Ma'am, like how many classes is there like in this college? Can you
So
show
we
me?
have
यहाँ पे क्या है?
yeah ma'am. That is for one classroom, like which we have. Usually we have 5 sessions over here.
Okay.
So each classrooms have like number of seats, because it is like one-on-one interaction should be there.
Can
and
we
the
go inside,
students,
chef?
yes ma'am, of
The
course,
class is
please.
going on. Can
Yes ma'am, yes
Okay.
ma'am, yes ma'am. Hi sir.
Hi sir.
Hi sir.
Hi students. Hi sir.
He is Mr. Imran.
Okay, hello sir. This is
He
Aishi
is,
Khatam
career
from
development
okay.
cell.
And this which class is going on? Like which subject?
It's like career development cell. Like they are conducting a class, like session for developing their career, and also
Okay.
inculcating to face the real time exposure, like
Okay.
challenges.
Okay.
So it's best if you are like
It's basically a bridge between the campus and the corporate.
Sir.
Whatever the things that are missing that corporate requires, we basically help them to
Okay.
learn, incorporate whatever the learnings that the corporate requires,
Okay.
which are usually not part of the Bangalore University or any other university. These are programs inculcated by the management in
Okay.
this college.
Okay. Thank you so much. And how the students like this class, this subject? Can you tell something about this subject?
It is very interesting.
Very interesting. Anyone else? Yeah, I would like to ask you. What is your name, ma'am?
Aishwarya Tavde.
Okay. Can you tell me something about this class and the subject? Do you like this or not?
Yeah, very much. We also have a fun activities based practical things, theoreticals.
Okay. Any subject you dislike?
Dislike is finance.
Finance. Maximum students.
I like
this.
HR
Okay.
speaking up like
Yeah, it happens. Natural. It's a genuine answer. कि like ninth नहीं पसंद है तो नहीं है, कोई force नहीं है. Okay, एक glass पूछना चाहूँगी to you. What is your name?
Aditya,
From where you are?
Waspet ma'am.
What?
Waspet.
Okay. Which subject you dislike?
No,
You like all the subjects?
yes ma'am.
Bhadakku types of?
Imran sir class.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay. After disturbing the class, continue class चल रही थी और मैं घुस गई थी बीच में. After this, next चलते हैं. हमारे बच्चे लोगों से मिलेगा. काफ़ी मज़ा आया मुझे. But next हम लोग कैंपस का जो मेन व्यू है वो हम लोग देखते हैं. एंटायर कैंपस कैसा है एंड कितना बड़ा है मैं आप लोगों को दिखाना चाहती हूँ. कैन यू प्लीज शो हेयर कितना ब्यूटिफुल एरिया इज देयर. द ग्रीनरी यू कैन सी हेयर हाउ ब्यूटिफुल इट इज. मैम यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं इन द ओपन एरिया?
Actually, this is the ground where we conduct like open kind of activities.
Okay.
It's like a combination of even games and sports. Apart from that, academics also we used to conduct some outdoor activities
Like
team
what kind
building.
of activities is
Team
there?
building.
Team building. That's a great
leadership
thing.
qualities
In
and
maximum companies you need to know about the team building. That's
Exactly. So
very
those
important.
kind of activities we'll make use of this thing.
Like only the faculties do here, or anyone from the outside?
Outsiders also they love to use this one because they have a wonderful.
I've seen it is a very big area.
Yeah. So outsiders also, and we faculties also, most of them will use this, for
Okay.
because MBA is a kind of subject where the student should get the real time exposure
And
so
overall development is
exactly
very much important.
So it is more than like and be concentrating only on the practical knowledge for this students.
Okay. Like maximum students, like ratio, can you share with me like those who are going into the job and maximum those who are going to the like business after this?
You want the percentage of the students?
Like approximate idea you can give me.
Approximately, you know, say for an example, in 100%, you know, the students, many of the students after joining, I just can say like proudly, before they wanted to work with like under someone. But after, you know, taking admission IZ, most of the students, you know, wanted to become an entrepreneur and business leader. That is the, you know, the tagline of our college. So mostly 60% of the students from here, no, they wanted to set up their own business things.
You can see here कितना beautiful ये नज़ारा है हमारा. You can see here. And this is the part of the campus, right?
Yes,
What a
ma'am.
beautiful it is.
Yeah, so
and
we explained you, it's a green
this area
campus.
is also very good. जहाँ हम लोग आराम से बातें कर सकते हैं.
Yes,
We are walking nicely and
ma'am.
यहाँ पे I must say photos भी काफी अच्छी आ जाती है. And ma'am, this side क्या है?
Yeah, this is, you know, ma'am, this is UG wing, ma'am. It is undergraduate wing.
It's
We
like
have,
connected to it.
Yes. BBA aviations are there. BCA, BBA, general BBA courses are there. So this is purely BBA, like a UG wing. So now the exams are going to start from Monday onwards, ma'am. So now students are in half. So they are in study leave.
Basically, it's a UG area.
The UG
right?
area, ma'am, this one.
So after this, we'll meet, ma'am. किससे मिलने वाले हैं हम लोग?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm going to meet, like, we are going to meet Dr. Saraswati Kumble. She's a principal of
She's the
this
principal.
college. Yeah. It's a wonderful lady, actually. So we can. So these are all our UG staffs. They're all busy with their exam duty.
Hello. Yes, nice to meet you, ma'am. And principal, ma'am.
Yeah, cabin is here.
Okay, nice to meet you, everyone.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I come? Okay, hello, ma'am. This is Aisha Khaitan from Weststock team, and nice to meet you. We are doing shoot here for the college, and I thought कि आपसे मिलना है. I will be the happiest person to meet with you.
Same here.
And how are you, ma'am?
I'm good.
Okay, how is going on everything in the college?
Everything is going well.
Okay, the pressure time is going on, right? Because exam देने के बाद आप लोगों का actual pressure start होता है. बच्चे लोग relax होते हैं ना, teachers का pressure start होता है, right, ma'am? Okay, चलो, all the best. Thank you so much, ma'am. Nice to meet you. Okay, yeah, thank you.
Thank you,
ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. After meeting with the principal, now we are going, ma'am. Which area में we are going?
We will see the cafeteria where the
That is
students will chill.
Students' favorite part.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even our favorite part also.
When we were in the college.
Yeah,
अभी हमारा
exactly.
favorite part होता है like classroom, पढ़ाना and right?
Yeah.
But sometimes
we also want some relax, right?
Yeah, right. Yeah, refreshment is very important. So how is this place? चलो देखते हैं जल्दी से quickly. So
Yeah, ma'am. I'll tell you. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
ma'am.
welcome anytime.
Yeah.
So ma'am, यहाँ पे basically क्या best मिलता है and students like the most?
Yeah, as usual, you know that youngsters likes all kind of, you know, energy foods like, you know,
Energy foods like a fruit.
sandwich,
Okay, like healthy
juices.
food. Like ma'am, veg or non-veg, both they will
Both,
get?
yes, both they will get, ma'am.
Both the things.
So both the things they will be.
Since the students are gone, the classes is over.
Yeah.
Cafe I think closer, but we can see here.
Yeah.
I would like to show all the students. हमारा cafe
Preparing for
is,
exams
right?
also.
You can sit here, you can eat here, you can relax here. Please come forward. कुछ बच्चे यहाँ पे अभी भी बैठे हुए हैं. After the class, you can see. And वो area है जहाँ पे हमारा cafe चलता है, but this is off. And you can see here हमारी बड़ी सी चाय की the tea part. बहुत सारा चाय एक साथ बना रहा है टी मेकर एंड द फोटोज इज देयर. मुझे इस कॉलेज का एक चीज अच्छा लगा मैम, द फोटोज, सो मेनी फोटोज आर देयर.
Yes.
This is the like हर मेमोरी को
Yes,
वापस से,
exactly,
like,
ma'am.
we can
Actually,
see.
we need to celebrate a moment. You know, you have to
The
cherish
moment.
it.
Yeah, cherish.
Yes, for a lifetime. You know, even after college, also the students, you know, our alumni visits the college.
Okay.
So when they saw these things, you know, they collect beautiful memories.
Okay.
So that is also very important.
Yeah, you can see here this part is also very good, and I've seen like हर एक wall पे there's a good pictures, some photos of college and their students and their faculty members. I can see here. Ma'am, ये part मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है.
Yes,
Can we
ma'am.
sit here?
Actually, most
for
of the
a
students
minute?
will sit and chat and take selfies.
Selfies definitely. And like what are the sports they used to play here? Any idea, ma'am? Like,
ma'am, yes,
it's a
ma'am. They
part
used-
of the like a college का subject or like it's random?
Yeah, cricket you can
And we can
see
sit
here.
here,
Like
yeah.
cricket they used to play.
Okay.
And football, they love football.
They love football.
Yeah, they
Okay.
love football.
Like it's a normal level or in state level or something
no,
like
no,
that?
they are actually we trained few students to participate in the inter-collegiate
Okay.
and within state level also.
Okay.
So we prepared for them also. They are like into it.
Like faculty is there who
Faculties,
teach.
yeah, physical education teacher is there.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
That's a good thing. Or any like apart from the football, any cricket?
Yeah, the football, cricket is there. After cricket, you can say shuttle. Shuttle they used to play.
Okay.
Badminton.
So, ma'am, after this, can we see some classes?
Yeah, ma'am.
Classes कैसी
Yeah,
है
ma'am.
हमारी बच्चे लोगों का? Generally, the student asks, how is the classroom?
Yes,
And
yes.
in one classroom, how many students sit at a time? Like
So one classroom we can make them to sit 45 students.
45 students,
35
so that you can
students.
give equal importance to all
the students. Yeah,
Okay.
even in UG you can arrange the students 60. So it is
Okay.
a big, spacious classroom.
45 to
so-
60.
Yeah, yeah,
you can,
yeah.
Like,
yeah, yeah.
तो हम लोग classes देखते हैं कि how is the
Yeah, ma'am, you
classroom?
can.
So basically,
Yes, ma'am, of course.
can we go inside?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Anyone is
No,
there?
no.
Okay, no one. So classroom is very cool and calm. I can sit here as I am the first bencher in my school. मैं आराम से बैठती हूँ और आराम से classes लेते हैं. तो like board is very near to me and at the end last में दिखता है कि नहीं वो भी check कर लेता है. यहाँ से भी visible है भाई. So good. अच्छी बड़ी है and
It's spacious, right, ma'am?
spacious है definitely. And after this, कुछ और classes देख लेते हैं मैम.
Yeah, we can meet MBA or freshers. Yes.
और
That
कुछ
also
और
meet
students
MBA.
मिलते
Yeah,
हैं, we
yeah,
discuss
yeah.
with them.
Yes, ma'am.
मुझे
yes,
सबसे बेस्ट लग रहा है दिस स्टेयर्स.
Yes.
नहीं बढ़िया कि यहाँ पे तो भाई मजा आने वाला है. कुछ पढ़ना है तो पढ़ो, फोटोज लेना है तो फोटोज
Yes,
ले लो.
yes. It is trendy, ma'am.
It's trendy, exactly. Like interior is very good. Then next classes देखते हैं. मुझे वो एक क्लास दिख रही है. Can we see that
yes,
class? Okay.
That classroom. This
Oh my
is MBA
God,
classroom.
This is so beautiful.
Yes.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, hi. So you can sit here. मैं आराम से बैठी हूँ. And you can keep the books here, copies here. और यहाँ नीचे भी रखने की अच्छी जगह है. So I like the class. And next we'll move forward. और कुछ different classes, ma'am.
Hi.
कुछ अलग अलग classes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
can
there is
see.
one more classroom is there.
Okay.
So we can just now we wind up the
And
fourth
this is
semester
the
Viva.
beautiful MP theater.
Yeah, this is
जो
the
कि
place we
मैम
used
यहाँ
to
पे क्या
keep.
क्या होता है basically?
Ma'am, usually we used to have all the functions.
Okay.
Usually colleges will have all kind of annual day and other college competitions. Everything we used to conduct, all the program, and especially launch programs, kind of certification
Okay.
programs,
Okay.
and guest lecturers.
Okay.
We used to invite the business leaders and corporate
Okay.
leaders. Their lectures and a kind of direct conversation with them. The people will have the students have.
Okay.
So for that we used to have this one.
Okay, after MP3 theater, we'll go to the another
Classroom, another classroom.
Yes. Next, can we see?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. You can see.
काफी बड़ा लग रहा है मुझे.
Yes.
Classes is going on.
Yes. So it's very important. So I will get one second. Sensation. Sit.
Okay. Hi everyone. Okay, hi, this is Aishi Khaitan from the West Talk, and what class is going on? Can you please tell us?
Meet Miss.
Okay, so like you can see here, यहाँ पे practically they used to teach like what kind of a conversation you are doing right now?
We're doing a panel discussion right now.
Panel discussion, like how to do the panel discussion and the result outcome. Okay. So like there is attendance काफी अच्छी दिख रही है मेरे को. Can I ask one question to our student if you allow? Yeah, okay. So what is your name?
My name is Bittu Malik.
Okay, which subject is this?
OB.
OB.
Yeah.
Okay, and what you learn from this subject?
I learned how to, communicate and
how to manage in the field of office.
Okay.
Or in a office environment, how to tackle in a critical situation.
Okay, like this is a critical situation I created right now.
yeah.
And you are like managing the thing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And can I ask your name, please?
Myself, Karthik.
Okay, so what you are learning from this class?
So basically, the usually classes are going on most theory based, but here classes are going like practical way.
Something
so here is
interesting, like
something
जिसमें
interesting
नींद नहीं आता है.
every day. Like today we earlier class we went outside for play something like
Okay.
it was like handling some situations, critical situations. Now we are doing panel discussion. It is more like bombarding of ideas and all.
Okay,
Yeah.
apart from the like lectures and boring things, this is interesting. You are practically you are facing in the future. You are like learning here, right?
Yeah, much more than that.
Much more than that. That is a good thing. And the favorite subject?
Favorite subject is not that kind of thing, but I like everything.
All the subjects.
Yeah.
Or एक subject you dislike, you don't like. यार ये class
No.
where
No.
you are like very sincere, like.
Yeah, kind of.
That's why you're liking all the subjects, right? Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Okay, bye. After meeting with the student, ma'am, can we move forward and can you show me यहाँ पे एक board दिखाई दे रहा है?
I think
what is this? Can you please tell me कुछ लिखा हुआ है? Something is
Yes,
written
ma'am.
here.
Yes, ma'am.
What
Actually,
is this? Please
this
tell me.
board is very important as we are giving us. I keep on telling you like real-time exposure and real-time, knowledge you need for the students. So each day the students, we will update this board regarding the financial
Like
news,
student do this or
economical.
a teacher,
Yeah,
faculty?
students
Okay.
have to do.
Okay.
So they used to read and they used to correct the information and they will update. Say for an example,
Okay.
currency rate. This is actually 24 too, like gold rate. What is the gold rate? And also GDP. It's very important, right? It's like going ups and downs. So the reason also we will be discussing in the class. So
Okay.
all the stuffs and oil price, one of the important commodity which decide the dollars and other things,
Okay.
and steel price and exchange rate. So these are all the basic important for MBA student. They are one of the important person in the business world. So they
Okay.
have to know all these things.
Yeah.
So this is the things behind, and Aisha, you also witness like real world
Yeah,
exposure,
I've seen
practical things,
yeah,
with the
practical
students.
thing was going on inside the class. We have seen. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you so
ma'am.
much, ma'am.
Yeah. Hi, Narendra. Naresh. Yeah. God bless you. Always I wanted to see you in a very, very higher position.
Thank you, ma'am.
Naresh, all the best
Thank
of
you so
your
much.
life.
Thank you so much.
So you have to come up with the best thing in your career.
Welcome.
All the very best. Hi, how are you?
Award.
Yeah,
Award.
all the very best. Definitely I'll do it. I'll help you out. So all the very best for your future endeavors.
इंस्टाग्राम चैनल का नाम चैनल का नाम
Thank you. Yes, that is very important, right?
So can I write something?
Yes.
You can take anywhere here.
पीछे लिख देते हैं, आगे कुछ ज्यादा ही हो जाएगा, है ना? तो please do follow us.
Do.
ठीक है? Best talk.
Best job.
Okay, so please follow us and definitely. Okay, chalo. Thank you so much. Thank you. So hello, ma'am. How was the time with
Yeah,
me?
I see it is a great time. I love to be here like with you, and you made my day actually. So you're the person to bring out best out of me. Like always, we'll be like inside the classroom and everything. So you are a wonderful quality. Like we made us very easy to converse and explore the things.
Okay.
Very good, and it is a great skill, Ayushi, and a
Okay.
great asset for the company also.
Okay, thank you so much. It's a big word for me.
Yeah,
And
thank
you were also very good, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
मेरे को ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था कि first time I'm meeting with you.
Yes.
I felt like you are my friend.
Thank you so
And I
much.
was so comfortable with
Thank you, thank you,
And I
ma'am.
always try कि मेरे साथ जो भी रहे वो comfortable feel करे.
Thank you so much,
it was nice time I spent with
Thank
you.
you so
And
much.
I definitely learned something.
Thank
And
you
बहुत
so
सारी
much.
चीज हम लोग जहाँ भी जाते हैं कुछ कुछ सीखते रहते हैं.
Definitely.
Thank you so much, ma'am,
Thank
and
you.
nice to meet you, and
Thank
I
you, ma'am.
hope to see you again in the
Thank you
future.
so much.
Thank you so much,
ma'am.
Okay, bye. So after meeting with the ma'am, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. She is so nice and she is so friendly. Let's meet with the others. Let's come with me. तो मिलते हैं with the other. Hello, sir. Can we talk for 2 minutes?
Definitely.
Hello, sir. Your name, sir?
Dr. Mahesh Kumar. I'm the director of IZ Business School MBA.
Okay, you are the director. Nice
Yes,
to meet you,
yeah,
sir. Can
please.
we walk and talk?
Yeah, please,
Okay,
please
come in.
please.
Okay, can you please join us, sir? Sir, your name?
I'm Professor Manjunath Ji. I'm program coordinator for IC Business School.
Okay, this is Aisha Ketan from the West Talk, and can we please walk and
Sure,
talk?
sure,
Okay.
sure.
So, sir, let's walk and talk. As I said, so sir, what are the challenges students face here when they come to this college?
See, it's not a challenge, it's an opportunity for them basically.
Okay.
They are from different states, different languages, and when they come
Like
here,
कौन-कौन से states से कौन-कौन से cities से students used to come?
see, we have students across India.
Okay.
And
Like pan India. Okay.
Pan India.
Okay.
So when the students
Basically,
come
from which city? Like maximum students are from the which city?
they are from Tamil Nadu, Andhra,
Okay.
Kerala,
Okay.
and Maharashtra, Orissa,
Okay.
Delhi,
Okay.
so Uttar Pradesh, Orissa, Kolkata.
Okay.
So people are there across India.
Okay.
So when they come here, first thing is
Okay.
IZ welcomes them to this green campus.
Okay.
And once they come here, within few days they adjust.
Okay.
So we have such an environment over here where they can adjust very easily.
Okay.
And that is what we have seen here. So even though students are coming from different places, they don't find that they are out of the place.
Out of the way, the very friendly environment.
Very friendly
Okay.
environment. Students, faculty, staff, everybody make them comfortable.
Okay.
So that they don't feel they are out of the place. Out of the
Like any
place.
challenges they face, like
Basically, when they come here, they may have some apprehension regarding communication.
okay,
because they are from
communication. Yeah, from the different states they are coming, and they have to like, what is the solution
See,
used to
here
give them?
Here we give, along with the good academics, we also equip them with communication skills.
Okay.
So it starts from the first semester itself.
Okay.
So grooming them in communication in English, grammar, everything. Then what happens? They feel comfortable.
Okay.
And we also do a lot of exercise with them, practical.
Okay.
So we make them talk to each other, situations, role plays.
Okay.
So we have plenty of events. So
Okay.
for that, instead of thinking, let the people look into our social media postings. All are real, not just talking. See, some colleges they talk, but they don't do.
Okay.
Here it is not so. What we do, we talk.
Okay.
What we talk, we do.
Okay, so basically students are coming from the out of the city. Where they stay? Like, is there any hostel?
Yeah,
या
there are
फिर
so many hostels
PGs?
nearby. PGs
Okay.
are there.
like it's associated with the college, or like they have to take
They have
their own?
They have reference from
Okay.
college side.
Okay.
And many of our students, some faculties stay here
Okay.
for a long time.
Okay.
So most of the students of PG and all, our own students are there. We
Okay.
don't find anybody outside. So they feel very comfortable there. Food is good, stay is good.
Okay.
And they don't find any problem therein.
Okay. Sir, my next question is what is the USP of this college that which make it different from the other college?
The USP of this IZ Business School is that we have tie-up with the IBM Prod. It's powered
Okay,
by
what is
IBM.
that?
What
Actually,
exactly?
please
Because
explain.
along with this curriculum, what we have as per Bangalore University, okay, along with that also, we go outside the classrooms and we give some kind of, technical skills required for the present industry.
Okay.
Like for example, if you talk about digital marketing, we give.
Okay.
AI we give. Tableau we give.
Okay.
R language we give.
Okay.
Power BI we give.
Okay.
So all the intention or the reason behind giving all these things, what we want to make our students ready to the industry.
Okay, that's a good thing.
I will add to what Professor Manjunath said. See, what happens usually is there is a gap between academia and industry. Everybody experiences it. Here, we are going to bridge that gap with required skills. as sir mentioned, IBM, tech-driven data analytics. Like that, we have one more called Business Choice. Like that, many certification programs, whether it's HR, marketing, finance. So fintech companies also we have MOUs. So we provide a lot of certificate programs along with the curriculum, starting from the first sem. So when they're going out, they carry a lot of certifications. Along with that, a lot of skills.
Okay.
Which is going to bridge the gap between real world and the academia.
So like sir, AI is there, right? So what are the like different things like our college is doing with the AI?
There also we are going to provide some certifications connected to that. AI
like
also.
courses or something, what?
Certification programs connected to that.
For
so
example,
that they get an exposure to that.
For example, usage of AI in digital marketing, usage of AI in marketing, usage of AI in finance.
Because ऐसे कहा जाता है कि जो AI को नहीं समझेगा, that is वो exist नहीं करने वाला in the future. तो yes.
Learning AI very important. Unless they learn, they'll be out of the race.
Yes.
So we provide that. That's what I'm telling. What is necessary for industry, we provide all those present.
Okay.
Present.
So sir, last question, like what are the changes you are doing this year or is the coming year that is going to be exist for the next 5 years?
See, we are having a lot of programs where students will get 360-degree input.
Okay.
Not just one angle. That's what I was telling. What makes IZ different from other B schools? We focus on 360 degrees.
Okay.
So that they get a lot of inputs necessary for them to be facing the real world. And future proof, not just facing.
Not only the theoretical, you are providing a practical approach कि कैसे होने वाला है practically.
Future proof, not just ready for corporate.
Okay.
We believe in real world and real learning. That is most important.
Otherwise, just making them ready for 2 years is not enough. 3 years is not enough.
Not enough, yes.
We have to go for future proof.
Okay. So, sir, my last question is: what are the courses this college provide and affiliation? Can you please discuss this part?
Yes, definitely.
Please,
See,
sir,
we
tell
have
us.
a unique one here. We have UG.
Okay.
That is undergraduate.
Okay.
Wherein we have BBA Aviation.
Okay.
BBA Regular, BCA and BCom.
Okay.
And we have in PG MBA.
Okay.
And we have affiliated to IBM as specified earlier.
Okay.
And these courses are recognized by Bangalore, affiliated to Bangalore University, recognized by Government of Karnataka.
Okay.
Not only that, we have recognized by AICTE New Delhi. That is most important.
That is the most important.
That's the most important.
Exactly.
One. Because whatever certificate they carry from here, recognized by state government, central government, even for government jobs, and if they are going for abroad for further study, whatever, it is well recognized.
Okay.
And a certificate from Bangalore University is a world famous one.
It will be very helpful for the students.
For them.
Very helpful.
Very helpful.
Okay, we'll give the hike, I must say.
Exactly. Bangalore University is very famous.
Okay.
So whatever sir said is right because AICT is approved, right?
Okay.
Yeah, that is what the main brand mark for the students, and it is affiliated to Bangalore University, and we have a lot of MOUs also. As sir told that MOUs are there. So this is how the IZ is something unique compared to other B schools in Karnataka.
And we have connectivity with lot of corporates for providing.
Like good corporates you can like suggest.
We have connectivity with more than 200-300 companies.
Oh my God.
We can help them for providing placements, internships, so etc. Industry exposure.
Okay.
So we have a lot of people coming here for delivering lectures. We call it as iTalk,
From the
corporate
outside
connect.
also.
Yeah,
Okay.
outside, because they get to know what is happening in the corporate, not
Outside,
just academic.
yes. Okay.
Co-curricular, extracurricular activities, club activities. So it is very much necessary for them to ensure that 360 degree what I'm talking, not only me, the management believes in it. So management wants them to develop in 360 degrees. So that what happens is when the student go out of the college, they will be very confident to get into the next level.
Like,
So they will remember
very-
IZ for a lifetime.
very confident to face any challenges, any problem,
So for that
anything. Yeah.
exploration, what we do, we connect with the industry. Every week there will be industry talk. We
Okay.
bring the people from the industry. Okay, we
Yeah.
connect with the students.
Okay.
Not only academic, but also what exactly is happening in the current industry standards based on
Okay.
that.
Okay. So thank you so much, sir. It
Thank
was a
you.
nice time with you.
Yeah,
Thank you so
thank
much. And nice to meet
Thank you
you, and hope to see you again.
Yes,
and
yes,
thank you so much,
definitely.
sir.
You
Okay.
also. Thank you very
Okay,
much.
sir. Thank you so much. So, hi friends, after the whole day conversation with our faculties, हमारे students के साथ में classroom देख लिया, campus देख लिया, तो after the lots of a discussion, I get to know that this college is affiliated with our IBM, जो कि सारे colleges नहीं यहाँ पे होते बैंगलोर में. This is the one of the good and the best and awesome college I must say. Or you are having any query, any doubts regarding this college, आपको admissions के regarding कुछ जाना है, please do message us. और you can see here एक number दिया हुआ है and there is a form also. Please submit that. We'll get back to you immediately. और कुछ भी आपको question हो, please contact with us. The Westtalk team is there and Aishi Khaitani is there. We'll hope to see you again. और आपके दिमाग में कोई भी question है, किसी और college के बारे में जानना है आपको, please comment me over the comment box. And please do subscribe and like and please follow us. Thank you so much everyone.